locked in a suffocating embrace. A brother is trapped in the crushing coils of the giant serpent. The troop circles, mesmerized by the rhythmic contraction of cold, diamond-patterned scales. To fail here is to lose a member. For the troop, a piece of their future is being crushed into the dust. Hesitation ripples through the troop, none of them willing to become prey to such a monster. Still coiled tight, ready to suffocate its victim. Despite their numbers, they could not save their fallen companion. A python tightens its coils, silently cutting off the flow of life. The victim falls limp, his ribcage yielding to the relentless pressure as his cries finally go silent. A sea of golden eyes, burning with a primal collective fury. Sensing the shifting tide, the predator uncurls, abandoning the prey, motionless. But the family is not finished. Strong hands seize the retreating tail, dragging the killer back into the circle of rage. The troop divides. Some cluster together, hands searching for a breath, a movement, a miracle. Desperate touches on cold fur, while the others move with ruthless determination.